My dear students, good morning. Today we do some question from class 9, Math Links 7th revised edition, exercise 1, solve page 220. This topic is triangle. Question number 1. From the given information in the figure, find the value of x. Now, solution for 1A. Solution here. In this figure, triangle PQR is given. Exterior angle is 130 degree. So we have to find the value of x from this figure. Here, 130 degree is exterior angle, which is equal to two opposite interior angles. These are 7x plus 6x. We can mention the reason because being exterior angle of triangle PQR. Here 130 is exterior angle of triangle PQR. So 130 equal to 7x plus 6x. We know exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles, or 130 degree equal to 7x plus 6x, 13x. Therefore, x equal to 13 10 the 130. So, x equal to 10 degree. Now, second figure on B. Triangle ABC is given. Its exterior angle is 115 degree. Now, its solution. Here, 115 degree is exterior angle for triangle ABC. So, this equal to 2x plus 3x. Reason being exterior angle of triangle ABC. Exterior angle of triangle ABC is 150 degrees. So, this is equal to two opposite interior angles. These are 2x and 3x. Or 115 degree equal to 2x plus 3x. It becomes half x. Therefore, x equal to 115 divided by 5. 5 to the 10, remaining 1. 1 5 15. 5 3 the 15. So 23 degree. This is the value of x. Now on the third figure, 1C, triangle ABC is given. Its exterior angle is 110 degree. So its solution here, exterior angle 110 degree equal to 2x plus 3x by 4, because 110 is exterior angle for triangle ABC. So being exterior angle of triangle ABC, or 110 degree equal to 2x plus 3x by 4. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 11. So 11x upon 4, or x equal to 110 degree multiplied by 4 divided by 11. Therefore, x equal to 11 10s are 110 and 10 4s are 40. So x equal to 40 degree. This is the required value of x. Okay students, now question number 1D. In this figure, triangle PQR is given. Exterior angle is 140 degree. Now its solution. Solution here, 140 degree equal to 2x plus x by 3. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. We have mentioned reason being exterior angle of triangle PQR, or 140 degree equal to 2x plus x by 3. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7. So 7x upon 3 or x equal to 40 degree times 3 upon 7. Therefore, x equal to 7 to the 14, 0. So 2 0 20, 7 20 the 14, 23 the 60. So x equal to 60 degree. Now next figure on 1 degree. This figure is given. Now we solve some. Here BA parallel to AD. BA parallel to AD. This is given. Now angle DCF and 60. DCF and 60 are corresponding angles in BA parallel to AD. So we can start from this. Angle DCF equal to 60 degree. This region being corresponding angles in BA parallel to AD. So 60 and angle DCF are equal. Corresponding angles in BA parallel to AD. Now we have to find value of x. Angle DCF is extended angle for angle triangle CF. Angle DCF is extended angle for triangle CF. So we can write angle DCF is extended angle which is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. These are x and 30. So angle DCF equal to x plus 30 degree. This region being exterior angle of triangle CF. Being exterior angle of triangle CF. Or angle DCF, that is equal to 60 degree equal to x plus 30 degree. Therefore, x equal to 60 minus 30, that is 30 degree. This is the required value of x. Now next number on F. Now in the figure F, NM parallel to QP. Here solution here. NM is parallel to QP. This is given in the question. Now we have to find the value of x. Here, this triangle SQR is isosceles triangle. Here SQ equal to SR. SQ equal to SR is given. Now triangle SRQ equal to 32. Triangle SRQ equal to 32 degree because being base angles of isosceles triangle SQR. Here SQR is isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. SQ equal to SR. So its base angle are angle Q and angle R are equal. So SRQ equal to 32 degree. Then angle PSR is extended angle for triangle SQR. Angle PSR is extended angle for triangle SQR. Then angle PSR equal to 32 degree plus angle SQR. 32 plus angle SRQ. Angle SRQ. 32 plus angle SRQ equal to extended angle PSR. This equal to 32 degree. This region. Give the region being extended angle of triangle SQR. Being extended angle of triangle SQR. being exterior angle of triangle SQR. Then this is equal to 32 degree plus angle SRQ is 32. This is equal to 64 degree. Again, x equals to angle PSR. Angle PSR, x and PSR are the corresponding angles in NM parallel to QP. So x equal to angle PSR being corresponding angles in NM parallel to QP. NM parallel QP. Therefore, x equal to PSR, which is 64 degree. So x equal to 64 degree is the required value of x. Now, question number 1G. In this figure, we have to find the value of x. Now, it's solution. Solution here. BA parallel to DC. ED equal to ER. ED equal to ER. This is given. Now, to find the value of x, triangle EDF is isosceles triangle since ED equal to EF. So I shall equal in triangle EDF. So angle EFD. Angle EFD equal to 2x. Reason being base angles of isosceles triangle EDF. Isosceles triangle EDF because ED equal to EF. So triangle EDF is isosceles triangle. So base angles, opposite angles of equal sides are base angle. Its opposite angle is 2x, and this its opposite angle is angle EFD. So EFD equal to 2x. Then angle CEF. This angle is exterior angle for triangle EDF. So angle CEF is exterior angle. So angle CEF, exterior angle of triangle EDF, is equal to 2x plus angle EFD. EFD. Angle CEF is exterior angle for triangle EDF. So CEF equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Because being exterior angle of triangle EDF. Exterior angle property of triangle. Exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So CEF equal to 2x plus EFD. EFD equal to 2x. 2x plus 2x, it becomes 4x. Again, you have to find the value of x. So again, angle CEF equal to 84 degree. Angle CEF and 84 are corresponding angles. Angle CEF equal to 84 degree. Because being corresponding angles in BA parallel to DC. Because being corresponding angles in BA parallel DC. Or we have angle CEF is 4x. From here, CEF is 4x. So 4x equal to 84 degree. Therefore, x equal to 84 divided by 4. 4 to the 8, 4 1 the 4. So x equal to 21 degree. This is the required value of x. Now, next question. One is in this figure, PQ parallel to RUS. We have to find value of x. This angle 100. This is 80 degree. Now its solution here. PQ parallel to RUS. Now construction from point T, draw line TM, which is parallel to PQ and RUS. Draw TM such that PQ parallel to RUS parallel to TM. Then to find the value of x, AT and angle UTM. These are ordered angles. Angle UTM equal to 80 degree. Being ordered angles. Being ordered angles in RUS parallel TM. RUS parallel TM. And angle QTM equal to 100. Angle QTM equal to 100 degree. This whole angle QTM equal to 100 degree. Ordered angles in PQ parallel TM. Being ordered angles in PQ parallel to TM. PQ parallel TM or QTM. Angle QTM is sum of x and UTM. So our x plus angle UTM equal to 100 degree. This is called two parts of QTM. This is called whole part axiom. Whole part axiom. Because QTM is sum of x and angle UTM. First part x, second part UTM. Or x plus angle UTM is 80 degree. X plus 80 equal to 100 degree. Therefore, x equal to 100 minus 80, that is 20 degree. This is the required value of x. Again, question number 1 is, we can do this question without construction. Here the PQ parallel to RUS, this is given. Now 100 equal to angle QRS. 100 degree equal to angle QRS. These are ordered angles in PQ parallel RUS. Being ordered angles in PQ parallel RUS. PQ parallel RUS. 100 equal to angle QRS. These are ordered angles in PQ parallel RUS. Then in this triangle RTU, this angle QRS is extra angle. So we can write angle QRS extra angle equal to x plus 80 degree. X plus 80 degree. Because being exterior angle, being exterior angle of triangle RTU. Of triangle RTU. In this triangle, QRS is exterior angle or value of QRS, that is 100 degree. So 100 degree equal to x plus 80 degree. Therefore x equal to 100 minus 80, 20 degree. This is the required value of x. This is second method without construction. Now next question 1i. In this question we have to find the value of x. Here ABC, line ABC parallel to xy. Solution here. ABC parallel to xy. This is given. We have to find the value of x. Now this is right angle 90 degree. Now 150 and angle XYO. These are co-interior angles, so we can write angle XYO plus 150 degree equal to 180 degree, because being co-interior angles in ABC parallel XY. ABC parallel XY. 150 and angle XYO. These are co-interior angles. Therefore, angle XYO equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. Then for triangle XYO, this triangle 90 is exterior angle. Then we can write 90 degree equal to XYO plus X. Angle XYO plus X. Being exterior angle of triangle XYO. Being exterior angle of triangle XYO. Exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So 90 equal to angle XYO plus X, or 90 degree equal to angle XYO 30 degree plus X. Therefore X equal to 90 degree minus 30 degree, that becomes 60 degree. So X equal to 60 degree is the required value of X. Okay students, now 1J. Here ABC parallel to XY. In this figure, line ABC parallel to XY. We have to find the value of X. 150 and angle XYO. These are co-interior angles. So we can write now 150 plus angle XYO equal to 180 degree, because being co-interior angles in ABC parallel XY. ABC parallel XY. Therefore, angle XYO equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. Then X is exterior angle for triangle XYO. For this triangle, X is exterior angle. So we can write X equal to 40 degree plus angle XYO. Being exterior angle of triangle XYO. Being exterior angle of triangle XYO. So X is exterior angle of triangle XYO. Is equal to 40 degree plus angle XYO, that is 30 degree, equal to 70 degree. Therefore, X equal to 70 degree is the required value of X. Now, question number 1K. In this figure, PQ parallel to MR. Solution here. PQ parallel to MR. We have to find the value of X. Now, construction. From point N, I can draw line NS. Draw NS so that PQ parallel to MR parallel to NS. Draw NS so that all three lines are parallel to each other. That angle MNS be B. Angle MNS be B. Now then B and 150 are coordinate angles. B plus 150 equal to 180 because being co-interior angles in MR parallel NS. MR parallel NS. Therefore, B equal to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. And angle QNS equal to X. Angle QNS equal to X. These are alternate angles. Being alternate angles in PQ parallel NS. In PQ parallel NS. Angle QNS, this angle equal to X. Or QNS is sum of B and 40. First part 40, second part B. Or 40 degree plus B equal to X. This is whole part axiom. Whole part axiom. Because QNS is sum of 40 and B. Or 40 degree plus value of B is 30. Equal to X, therefore X equal to 40 plus 30, that is 70 degree. This is the required value of X. Now, 1L, in this figure, NM parallel to QR. Solution here, NM parallel to QR. Now we have to find the value of X. Now construction. From point P, draw line PS, which is parallel to NM and QR. Draw PS such that NM parallel to QR parallel to PS. NM parallel to QR parallel to PS. Then suppose that angle QPS be A. Then then 55 degree equal to 30 degree plus A. 30 plus A and 55, these are alternate angles. Being alternate angles in NM parallel PS. NM parallel PS. 55 equal to 30 plus A. 30 plus A and 55 are alternate angles. Therefore, A equal to 55 minus 30, that is 25 degree. And X and A are co-interior angles. So X plus A equal to 180 degree. Being co-interior angles in QR parallel PS. QR parallel PS. X and A are co-interior angles in QR parallel PS. Now we can put the value of A. X plus A is 25 degree. Equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x equals to 180 minus 25. 10 minus 5, 5. 17 minus 2, 15. So, x equals to 155 degree is the required value of x. Okay students, this was for today. Have a nice study, have a nice time. See you soon.